Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Venu Sq2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Once the menu pops up, you will see the watch face option. You can tap on it to enter the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, find the watch face you like to use on your watch, select it, and then tap on it to apply it like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.